Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rocket R58 espresso machine. And well, first let's start out with a joke. What did one math book say to the other? I've got so many problems. Okay, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. So I noticed that my grind is looking a little too fine for this machine because our shot is pouring slow. So it's probably pretty close, but you know we can dial it in a little bit more. But that's not what we fixed in this machine. What we fixed in this machine is we replaced this valve. We had almost no water coming out of the old valve, and I've tried overhauling these valves, and I don't know, it's such a bizarre thing. I have very little success overhauling them, so now I just replace them, and let's just test the steam first. Nice steam, and then we're going to test the water. Yeah, we get a lot of hot water there. It's a big pitcher. You can see it's almost as tall as the machine. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.